the airport, 2 hours before a flight. We found a smoking and gambling lounge. Let's see how we do with Buffalo Gold. Here we go. Oh, that's loud. Denomination. First spin. Roma's joined me, back from the loo. Having a lovely time. Smoking, gambling. So we're at the airport, having a little gamble. Fag on the go, whiskey on the go. And if you want another drink, there is a little window just there to get yourself another drink. Lovely, lovely life, isn't it, Vic? Roma. Vic? Vic?
Superb.
Yes.
Superb.
Bring on the flight. No win on that one, but Roma's having a good go. How are you doing?
$20 in, and I still have 1160, so not bad.
Winning and losing. Yeah. We'll come back if we actually win anything. Didn't win anything, so we come to the pub. Cheers. Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.
There you go, come to the pub. A proper pint, first time in Vegas, proper pint.
Yeah. I just want to go home now.
Yeah,
I love Vegas.
we are fucked. We are fucked. Pub. Pub. Big pub. Cheers. Cheers.
Vegas.
Ooh. That is refreshing. We're looking for duty free. Bit of booze, bit of fag. Yep. Gonna spend our winnings. Oh, there's a shop dedicated to the Las Vegas Raiders NFL team. The Raider image. Slots. That is a cool jumper, isn't it? Hang on a second. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off because we found something. Uh-oh. I think the wallet's in trouble. You want something? Buy it.
Nah.
Treat yourself.
Nah.
Viva Las Vegas, where we come alive. Under the spell we laugh and jive. Dancing on clouds, we've touched the sky. On this magic carpet we fly. Viva Las Vegas, where we come alive. Under the spell we laugh and jive. Dancing on clouds, we've touched the sky. On this magic carpet we fly. Spinning wheels keep us on the go. Win or lose, we live in the flow. With each draw, our hearts beat fast, making memories that will last. Sunday mornings, we just chill. We're counting wins, it's such a thrill. With coffee cups, we toast and sing, waiting for the next big fling. Viva Las Vegas, where we come alive. Under the spell, we laugh and jive. Dancing on clouds, we've touched the sky. On this magic carpet we fly.
You're a good audience, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.